The 1928 Buick Rat Rod is a classic vintage vehicle listed at $12,000, located in Hyannis, Massachusetts. This car is in good condition with a clean title and features an 8-cylinder gas engine, currently equipped with a 1977 GM 305 engine upgrade. It has an automatic transmission rebuilt in 2024 with overdrive, and 123,456 miles on the odometer. The vehicle is a coupe-style, front-wheel drive, and is registered as a 1928 Buick two-door sedan/coupe/roadster, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a customized, roadworthy project car. The chassis incorporates a 1966 Chevy C10 frame, front axle from a 1957 Chevy truck, and wheels from a 1940 Chevy truck with P2 1570R16 tires. Additional features include a 1932 Ford cab, Buick front fenders and hood, vintage steering wheel from an antique tractor, and a 1955 Chevy gas tank. Not included but available are a 1948-1951 Buick Roadmaster hood ornament, a 1928 Buick front bumper, and 2 slide-on brown bucket seats for the driver's side. This vehicle is a fantastic opportunity for restoration or to be built into a unique vintage driver with lots of character. The seller welcomes reasonable offers and invites interested buyers to schedule a viewing at Hyannis Transmission in Hyannis, Massachusetts. For more details and photos, please check the link in the description. This 1928 Dodge Victory 6 sedan is offered at $12,500 and is located in Robie Creek near Boise, Idaho. It features a 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a turbo automatic transmission, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a vintage classic that runs well and is ready to drive. The vehicle is in good condition, boasting a clean title and roughly 10 miles driven since its restoration. It retains all original bodywork, including unique suicide doors and a hinge-out windshield, adding to its vintage charm. Updated components include a new aluminum radiator, all 12-volt electrics with halogen headlights and new tail lights, a poly gas tank, disc brakes, and newly installed gauges in the original 1928 bezel. Modern upgrades such as electric windows and an FM/CD player enhance comfort and convenience while maintaining its classic look. Designed as a great driver or restoration project, it is perfect for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts who appreciate early American automobiles with authentic features. This vehicle's good condition and unique history make it an appealing find. Be sure to check the linked listing for more photos and details. Up for sale is a classic 1928 Ford Model A sedan with an excellent rating, priced at $29,500. This vintage vehicle is located in Port Alberni, British Columbia, and has been well maintained with a VIN of 400 AA. It features a powerful 350 SBC engine with a lumpy cam and a Holley 600 CFM carburetor. The car has an automatic turbo 350 transmission, making it easy to drive. With only 14,260 miles on the odometer, this sedan is a true find for vintage car enthusiasts. The eye-catching red paint really stands out, complemented by fiberglass fenders and a custom-built frame. Its clean title status adds to its appeal, while the spacious velour high-back bucket seats, stereo, and heater ensure comfort. The vehicle is fitted with a Jag rear end with inboard disc brakes, rear coilovers, and a dropped 4-inch straight axle, which guarantees an engaging driving experience. Additionally, features like a folding rear luggage rack and dual saddle fuel tanks enhance its functionality. This proven driver is ideal for someone looking to enjoy a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Up for sale is a stunning 1928 Ford Model A Shay, priced at $18,000, located in Napa County, California. This meticulously restored classic convertible boasts a reliable 4-cylinder Ford engine paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission, perfect for vintage car enthusiasts or collectors. With approximately 66,000 miles, it remains in excellent condition, featuring a vibrant yellow paint job and a clean title. The car combines authentic 1920s style with modern features like disc brakes for safer stopping, making it a great choice for car shows, parades, or leisurely Sunday drives. Its condition highlights careful restoration, ensuring both nostalgia and performance. Whether you're looking to restore a vintage gem or enjoy a unique driver, this Model A Shay presents an excellent opportunity. Check the link in the description for more pictures and details. This classic 1928 Chevrolet Coupe is available for $15,000 and is perfect for vintage car enthusiasts or collectors. It features a gas-powered engine, manual transmission, and has 75,895 miles on the odometer. The vehicle comes with a clean title and sports an attractive green paint color. While it runs and drives well, it needs some interior work and a paint touch-up, making it an excellent project car or a vintage driver with a little restoration. Its nostalgic charm and historical significance make it a standout piece for restoration or cruising. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description for more photos and details. The 1929 Ford Model A Roadster is a classic vintage vehicle available for $16,000 in Mount Morris, New York. This all-steel Roadster features a rebuilt and balanced four-cylinder engine with less than 250 miles since overhaul, providing excellent performance and reliability. It is equipped with a Mitchell manual transmission, a new radiator, and tires in good condition, complemented by a very good top, making it an excellent driver and a great choice for enthusiasts and collectors. The car has a clean title, enhancing its appeal for restoration or as a vintage driver ready to hit the road. Its green paint and historic design make it a standout piece, ideal for those who appreciate classic American automobiles and the nostalgic charm of early 20th century cars. Whether you're looking to restore a piece of history or enjoy driving a vintage Roadster, this 1929 Ford Model A offers a solid foundation and great features to enjoy. Be sure to check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1929 Ford Model A two-door sedan is a classic gem priced at $14,500, located in Chilliwack, British Columbia. It features a robust four-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive, making it a delightful vintage driver. With an odometer reading of 12,345 miles, this car is in excellent condition, boasting a clean title status. The exterior is painted in a striking green, complemented by a well-maintained interior that feels like new. Standout features include new wiring, brakes, and a luggage rack, making it ready for the road. The owner is liquidating their Ford collection and is open to reasonable offers. This Model A is perfect for enthusiasts looking for a reliable classic or a restoration project. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1929 Ford Model A Woody is a classic piece of automotive history, priced at $21,500 and located in southern Vermont. It features a robust four-cylinder flathead engine, delivering 40 HP, paired with a manual 3-speed transmission. The odometer reads 99,999 miles, and the vehicle is in excellent condition, both mechanically and visually. With a clean title status, this Woody was restored years ago and still shows very well. It boasts high-quality maple wood and birch plywood panels, making it a standout vintage driver or collector's item. Ideal for those who appreciate classic design, this Model A Woody is ready for adventures in the countryside or at the beach. Inspection is welcomed and encouraged. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Presenting a splendid 1929 Ford Model A Roadster listed at $22,500, located in Midlothian, Virginia. This classic car boasts a remarkable four-cylinder engine and offers a smooth manual transmission, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. With only 20,000 miles on the odometer, it is in like-new condition and has been perfectly restored by a local collector who is now thinning out their impressive collection. The vehicle features an elegant black paint finish and carries a clean title status, making it a reliable choice for vintage enthusiasts. Additionally, this Model A Roadster is equipped with a rumble seat, which adds a touch of nostalgia while providing extra seating. Ideal for both restoration projects or as a stylish vintage driver, this classic is sure to turn heads on the road. For more information and photos, be sure to check the link in the description. This 1929 Ford Model A Roadster is a classic beauty priced at $21,500. It's in good condition and has been restored in the 1980s, making it a perfect vintage vehicle for collectors or those looking for a vintage driver. The car features a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive, offering an authentic driving experience. With only 10,000 miles on the odometer, it's a low-mileage gem that runs well, making it great for driving or parades. The car is painted in a classic green color and has a clean title, ensuring it's ready for the road. This Model A also includes a convertible top, adding to its charm. Additionally, the car comes with lots of extra parts, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking to restore or maintain a piece of automotive history. Don't miss the chance to own this iconic piece of Americana. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.